To set up a GoHenry child account, start by going to the GoHenry website or downloading the GoHenry app from the App Store. Click on the Sign Up button and select that you are a parent. You will be asked to provide your name, email address, and create a password for your account. Next, you will be prompted to add your child's information, including their name, date of birth, and relationship to you. You will also need to provide some basic information about your child, such as their grade level and interests. This information will help GoHenry tailor its financial education content to your child's needs. After adding your child's information, you will need to link a funding source to your GoHenry account. This can be a debit card, credit card, or bank account. You will need to provide the account and routing numbers for the funding source you choose. Once your funding source is linked, you can set up an allowance for your child. You can choose to transfer a set amount of money to your child's account on a regular basis, such as weekly or monthly. You can also set up tasks and chores for your child to complete to earn extra money. GoHenry also offers a range of financial education content, including videos, quizzes, and games. You can assign this content to your child to help them learn about money management and financial responsibility. You can also set up savings goals for your child, such as saving for a new bike or a college fund. Finally, you will receive a GoHenry debit card in the mail for your child. This card can be used to make purchases online or in stores, and can also be used to withdraw cash from an ATM. You can monitor your child's spending and account activity through the GoHenry app, and receive notifications when your child makes a purchase or withdraws cash. By following these steps, you can set up a GoHenry child account and start teaching your child the importance of money management and financial responsibility. GoHenry is a great tool for parents who want to help their children develop good financial habits and achieve their long-term financial goals.